Hey yo, this is Dash.
Yeah.
Hey yo, this is Dash, and I don't know if you guys can see this box. This box in front of me is from a company called Porter & York. So a little backstory as to how I got this box. A few weeks ago on the Amazon treasure truck, there was a porterhouse steak deal. Me being a lover of steak that I am, actually, it was my wife. She sent me a text message and said, ooh, we should get these. So I went ahead and ordered the steaks off of the treasure truck. The steaks were phenomenal. I cooked the steaks and I took some pictures. Here's a couple pictures of those steaks that I had a few weeks ago. And when I cooked the steaks, I look back on Porter, and I look back and I'm like, well, I didn't know who Porter & York were. So I went back and I looked on their website. And when I started reading some of the things that were on their website, I was rather impressed. So some of the things that I saw on the website were that if you order a steak off of their website, your order is cut the day you order it, and then they ship it to you. Now, Porter & York is in Washington State. I'm in Baltimore, Maryland. This is my box. I was able to get a tracking number from them and it was shipped in 2 days. One of the other things too that is great about Porter & York, their meat is fresh. That's awesome. It's never frozen. They're typically aged for 28 days before they're sent to you. And you have the beautiful box. I mean, it looks like a plain old box, right? I don't think this is just gonna be a plain box. All right, let's get it opened. I haven't cut into the box. I wanted this to be a genuine unboxing. Now I do want to send and say thank you to the gentlemen and ladies at Porter & York for liking my picture and us having a conversation with the pictures of the steak that I took on Instagram. And they went ahead and they asked me to try some more steaks, to try additional cut. Oh man. First thing you notice, big old foil pack in there. This doesn't do justice, you over there. I'm gonna get you in a little closer. Give me a second. Porter & York, brand meats, hand-picked and cut to order. Oh man, this box is cold. Woo! A box within a box. All right, we're gonna open it up from the front here. Oh, man. It's like everything they do is artisanal. How do you wrap a box and it just be pretty? Cause this is pretty. We have our shredded, this looks like paper. Maybe it's bits of cardboard. Oh yeah. Ho ho ho. Hey, I don't have to be a rocket scientist to know what these are. My wife will enjoy these, that's for daggone sure. She loves to sleep in my shirts. Nice. Thank you guys. Now we have we're gonna get all the paper out of here. And everything is gel packed. Actually, I'm not 100% sure what's exactly in this box. Oh, look at that right there. Bone-in ribeye choice, Omaha Natural Angus 20 ounce. Bone-in ribeye. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that. There's 2 of them. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a 4-pound Tenderloin USDA prime. What? Prime Tenderloin. Oh man, oh man, oh man, and it's already trimmed. Can you see that? Ooh, ooh. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Everything is nice and cold. Do you see the smile on my face? This whole thing is, I'm blown away at the fact that Porter and York would go ahead and like I said, I reached out to them and asked them, you know, if there was anything I could do to try a sample of something, and they suggested I try this Tenderloin. I'm blown away. I'm genuinely blown away. I really, simple words of thank you are not enough. I really appreciate you guys sending me this. Oh my gosh, I'm ecstatic. Now I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this. So when I was on Porter and York's website, I actually saw that they had plenty of recipes and suggestions for the food that they, the meat that they send out. So with this Tenderloin, they have a suggestion of a recipe. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to follow along with one of their recipes, and then I'm going to do something with it. I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to do something with the other portion that's, man, I do barbecue. What do you think I'm going to do with it? So I'm going to leave you guys hanging just a little bit and ask you to see the next video. Do me a solid. I'm gonna leave a description down, or leave a link in the description down below. Go through, click the link, look around on Porter and York's website. Now, I'll tell you, Easter is a little too close, but Mother's Day is less than a month away. I'm just saying. I know my wife likes steak. Your wives, your sisters, your mothers, they might like steak too. And it means just that much more when you cook it for them. Trust me. Ask me how I know. So look, also, I'm gonna put a link in the description to Porter and York's Instagram page. Please go on their Instagram page, blow them up and just say thank you. Just, you know, say SDSBBQ says thank you, because I want them to know that I really do appreciate this. Oh, man, hold on. Not just this, but these. I don't want to tell anybody else about these. I might save these for myself. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll bring you guys along on how I cook these too. Nonetheless, please do me a favor. Click the link or check the link out down in the description. Go out to Porter and York's Instagram page and let them know I said thank you, and you are thanking them on behalf of me as well. Thank you again as always for watching. Like I said, please stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a couple videos talking about this Tenderloin here. Come on back and see what I do with it. Okay, and what are you going to say?
Make sure you subscribe.
Okay.
Give a thumbs up.
All right, so let's try this again. It's subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you like. Bye.
All right, so that was my daughter. She always wants to help whenever she catches me filming the video. So just like she said, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw, if you learned something, please leave me a thumbs up down below. And leave a comment, if you have any other questions. And I'll see you next time.